About me. Sylvia Neblett. I've lived in the district for about 25 years now. My husband and I moved to Maplewood and raised our family here, and have volunteered and worked in the district from time to time. I'm involved and advocate for the 622 Education Foundation, which primarily is an organization that supports families and students in our district. We have two main programs. One of them is called the Angel Fund, which really helps the social workers in all of our schools provide things like boots and gloves and things for families where there wouldn't be any other source when they need help. And we also have the Award of Excellence for, their hard work, their work in the community, their persistence in perhaps helping their families along the way. And they all come from different backgrounds, and it's really, really amazing and inspiring. You never know what people are going through and what students are doing in their everyday lives. And so we get to hear about that. Collaboration for me is one of my favorite words. If you can collaborate with people, you can go so much further. It's just really important because we don't walk alone in this world. The most rewarding part about being on the Community Advisory Board is you really get to find out what is going on in our community and what the community ed department is doing. Before I became a member of the advisory board, I didn't know all that community ed does. And its antenna, if you will, is throughout our community. And there are just so many opportunities for people to learn different things, to broaden their minds, and a lot of times for little to no cost. We collaborated with St. Mark's right across the street to do a backpack program where kids could get a backpack and have food, 3 meals for Saturday and Sunday at no cost to them. We had a coat giveaway that winter that was so cold. And I remember the first year we did it, I think we had about 110 coats. And in less than 2 hours, they were all gone. People had just come in from the community. And it was donations from the community. We did a prom dress giveaway. Again, donations we put the call out and said, do you have something that you would be able to donate? And they did. We took a couple of conference rooms in the office, and they'd go in there and try on dresses and pick out the ones they wanted. It was fantastic. And it was all because we just asked people to help. Those kinds of things, those are the things I think that really make a difference in people's lives, and it didn't cost us anything other than a little time.
The Betty Jayne Haak Community Service Award is presented to an individual who demonstrates the same passion for our district around education, volunteerism, and community service that our BJ had.
Oh, it almost made me cry because I knew BJ, and the idea that I would be compared to her is just like heartwarming. So to be in that category, and then you look back at all the things she did throughout her life, it's just like, yep, that was a life. I'm honored.